everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial where I use this NYX palette and this Colourpop Yes Please palette. If you want to see how to get this sunset fun eyeshadow look, I used like yellows and some pink, then just keep watching. I already set my lid so I can just start this video right now. For my crease color, I'm going to start out with my Morphe M441 and I'm going to take the shade Mischief. And I'm just going to start packing this on my lid. I'm going to try to focus this color more towards the top of my eye, and then I'm going to start blending down with darker colors afterwards. So I'm really just building up this color. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this, and it comes with like a more bright yellow, so I'm just going to try this one out too to see if I can blend them together a little better. I'm taking that color really high up, almost to my brow bone, and kind of just patting it in until I get it to where I want it to be. I'm taking a little bit of this shade Big Cocktails. There's a lot of fallout, by the way. I'm taking this color a little farther down than the yellow, but still placing that in my crease. And then back to the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, I'm going to take this coral, like this bright coral shade, to start adding some pink colors to this lid. A lot of artists who are doing makeup, I feel like they have like so much room to work with on their lids. I'm like, I don't know, I just feel like I don't have that much room on my eyelids to be doing like a whole ass rainbow situation. Like maybe one day, but for now I'm just gonna work with like 3 colors at once. Next, I'm gonna go into this hot pink shade with a Morphe M431. And I'm just going to see how much pigment this gives me. Maybe I won't end up using it. I'm just going to build up this pink color on my outer corner. And then switching back to the brush I was just using, kind of putting that color all over my lid just because I'm going to cut my crease afterwards, so it won't even show that part. This brush is like working very good right now. Like, I feel like I could do this whole look with this brush. I'm kind of just improvising because you can get a full look with this palette, but I just have like a vision in my head, so I'm kind of just switching in between palettes. So now I'm going to take my Dream Street palette in the shade Spark and also add this to my outer V area just to intensify the red color more. Okay. Next, I'm going to mix this hot pink shade and this purple shade to create like a magenta color. I'm using a Luxie 205 brush for that purple color. I hope everything looks nice and blended on camera. Just doing the best that I can. I'm taking my Morphe M431 in the shade Framed from my Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of making the outside edges more dark. These are the eyes so far. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I recently lost my favorite crease brush, so now I'm using this e.l.f. concealer brush, which I'm pretty upset about. It was a really good brush. I'm cutting my lid using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This brush actually wasn't horrible for cutting the crease. It was pretty precise. So now that those are done, I'm not going to set it down with any white eyeshadow or anything. I'm going to take a small e.l.f. brush into the shade Butter Cake, and I'm going to put this on the very top of the cut crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Note to Self, this really fiery orange. It's really cute. And I'm going to apply this on my lid underneath that other shade. And also towards the middle of my lid. I have statistics after this. I'm literally going to have to rush over there after I'm done with this video. but I'm gonna be the only bitch in there with a rainbow cut crease. Next, I'm going back to this palette and kind of taking some pink shades to blend this situation together. This is so stinking cute. I'm going back into that purple and just making sure everything looks amazing. And then I'm just also intensifying this gold shade at the top of my crease. Is it just me, or is this eyeshadow palette bomb as fuck? Let me know what you guys think. Also, I love that this is the same size as my Dream Street. Like, now I have a little collection going. Like, I'm so ready for more. To finish up this look, I'm going into the shade Moony, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For my inner corner, I'm actually just going to go into this yellow shade. I'm going to go in with another shade afterwards to brighten my inner corner. To save some time, I'm not going to talk while I do my foundation, concealer, and powder, but I'm just going to go through this really fast, and I'll be back to explain my bronzer and my blush and everything else. I'm really gonna be late to class right now. I'm gonna be that bitch who walks in with a full face of makeup. I'm gonna bronze my face with my butter bronzer to give myself some warmth to my skin. This is also a really quick bronzer that you can just throw on. Next, I'm gonna apply two blushes. This one is Party by Tarte. This one is Dulce Pink by Milani. I'm taking this shade for underneath my eyes. Taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm putting this on my inner corner, but trying not to cover up that yellow color I put behind it still. I'm going to spray my face one more time, and then I'm going in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlight and my Morphe R36. I'm literally just drenching myself in this highlight right now. I'm going to coat my lashes with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is a really good mascara and it's really cheap. I think it works pretty good. So hopefully you can see the difference in the volume in my lashes. I'm going to put some white eyeliner in my waterline. Next, I'm just using my Sugar Advanced Therapy chapstick. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige. Okay everyone, that completes this look. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, or it was at least entertaining or inspiring. Whatever it does for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.